Hello and good morning, students. Children, let us continue with our exercises which are given in our social studies textbook. Already we have done exercise number A. I hope you have already done it in your textbook. Let us do the next exercise, that is question number B. And in question number B, you have to write true or false, and it is also given in page number 80. Let us do it as a part of revision. I hope you will be all able to do the answers very easily. The first one, a gift of nature becomes a resource when it satisfies human need. As we know, nature has given us plenty of things like sunlight, air, water, soil, and plants, animals, all these, even the minerals, the forest resources, all these are used as resource because they satisfy our need by human beings and they help us to develop and progress. And in this way, we are satisfying our needs, we are progressing. That's why it is called resource. And even with the help of these natural elements, we are able to make other resources which are known as human made resources, like we are able to build houses, roads, bridges, then machines and generate electricity, isn't it? So they are the gift of nature and it is a resource because it satisfies human need. So it is true. Okay, so they are our gift of nature and we should conserve it and keep it safe and not pollute it, all these things we should be careful of. Coming to the second one, we can create exhaustible resources. Can we create exhaustible resources? Petrol, once used, can it be created by human beings again? No. Petroleum is found under the earth as it's a fossil fuel, and human beings cannot do it. They cannot make it. We have to get it from under the soil or the sea. So they are exhaustible resource and we cannot create them. All minerals, all metals which we get in the rocks and other part of under the soil, we cannot create them. Once used, gone forever. So they are exhausted. So we cannot create exhaustible resources. It is false. Coming to the third one, the other name of petroleum is black gold. Yes, we did it just now that petroleum is called black gold because it is very, very precious. It is very, very important. Like gold is very important for human beings, very precious. It is quite expensive. Similarly, petroleum is also very expensive, isn't it? 1 liter petrol costs more than 70 rupees. So it is very precious and that's why it is called black gold. Okay, it's true. Coming to the fourth one, hydroelectricity is generated from water. Yes, it is correct. I have shown you the pictures that how water is allowed to fall from a great height and electricity is generated. So water, which is a natural resource, which we call it as inexhaustible resource. It is used to generate electricity, very important because water we get it. Means it can be available, it is available when we need it, but of course we should not waste water. Then one day it will come that, as I discussed, that there will be scarcity of fresh drinking water or pure water. Sea water is there, but we cannot drink, we cannot use them for our plants. So hydroelectricity is generated from water. It is actually, the water is allowed to fall from a great height. You have seen the dams, Sardar Sarovar Dam. In this way they produce hydro. Hydro means water, electricity. Okay, so it is true. And coming to the last one, we must pollute the air. Should we pollute the air? Yes, we are doing it by number of vehicles and the road. They are all emitting smoke and industries, factories, we are polluting. But should we pollute it? No, we should not. It is, we are going to be affected. If we pollute the air, we have to continuously breathe in and out. So we will be breathing the polluted air and we will get diseases. It will harm our body, it will harm the animals, it will harm the plants, it will harm our surroundings. So we should not at all pollute the air. So this is false. So in this way, a gift of nature becomes a resource when it satisfies human need. True, we can create exhaustible resources. False, the other name of petroleum is black gold. True, hydroelectricity is generated from water. True, and the last one, we must pollute the air, is false. Okay, so in this way, do this exercise in your textbook, true and false. Thank you, children.